Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make summer peach salad. This salad is so good. We are obsessed. It's one of the best things to come out of my kitchen all summer. To start, you'll want to fill a salad bowl with about 4 cups of chopped romaine. And I like to buy the bags of chopped romaine because they are just convenient that they're already rinsed and chopped. Very convenient. Once you have all of your lettuce, it's time to move on to the yummy fixins. First, you want to peel, pit, and slice 4 peaches. You want to make sure you're using nice, juicy, ripe peaches for this. Then just add all of your sliced peaches on top of your lettuce. Then we're going to thinly slice half of a red onion. You want the slices to be nice and thin, and if you want, you can also cut them in half to make the pieces smaller and easier to eat. Then place those in with the salad as well. Then we're gonna dice some avocado, and you want those to be in bite-sized pieces. And we'll add those into our salad. Then we'll add in some fresh blueberries. Get those all in there. You'll also wanna add in a cup of chopped pecans and some mini mozzarella balls. You can see why this salad is so delicious. The last goodie we're gonna add in is some fresh mint. Just wanna chop that all up and mince up your fresh mint. I'm just gonna add that in to our salad right in the center. Last, we just need a dressing. You'll need 1/3 a cup of extra virgin olive oil and 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. And today I'm using a white balsamic. Regular balsamic has a darker color, and I went with the white balsamic so that I could have a light colored vinaigrette that doesn't discolor anything in my salad. Then you'll need 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Whisk this all together. If you're avoiding white processed sugar, you can also use the same amount of honey. And that's it for your dressing. You just want to pour it over your salad right before serving and give it a toss. You are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.